Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, January 12th, 2021. Today, you're going to begin your day with Daily Fix-It Week 19. It should work today. I fixed it yesterday when some of you told me that you couldn't type in it, so it should be fine now. Then you have contraction pages. You're on page 2 today. You're going to open it with Cami, and then you're going to go down to page 2. Today, you're going to fill in the blank with the correct contraction. So make sure you make a choice of the one that makes the most sense to you, and we will correct in class. If I were you, I would use the drawing tool on Cami and just circle the right answer. After you're done with page 2, then you have extra math, which you know how to do, and math practice book page 71 to 72. All right, let me show you. This is the page that you are doing. Page 71, and then on the back you finish page 72. It says write another way to group the factors, then find the product. I don't need you to write a different way to regroup them. I just want you to solve the problem. So this one, they put parentheses around 4 times 3. So that's what you would do first. 12, and then you're done with 4 times 3. So what's next? Times 2. So you're going to do 12 times 2. You're going to multiply your answer by the last number. 12 times 2 is 24. So you write it down here. Let's do one more. This one, they put parentheses around 2 times 8. So you do that one first. 16. Then you have to do 16 times 2. Now this one is a little hard because you don't want to count by 2 16 times. But remember, all multiplication is repeated addition. So 16 times 2 is the same thing as 16 plus 16. And when you add that up, you get 32. So remember, if you don't know the answer to the multiplication, you can always do repeated addition and add the number as many times as it says. This one says 16 times 2. I'll do one more. This one is 2 times 1, so it's 2. Then you have the 9, so you do 9 times 2. That one you can count by 2s and get 18. So you're going to finish the problems. Oh, these ones down here, you get to put the parentheses wherever you want. So if you want to do 9 times 1 first, put parentheses around 9 times 1. If you want to do 1 times 5 first, put it around 1 times 5. And then 9 times 5 is 45. If you don't know the multiplication fact, you can always go look at your multiplication chart and see what the answer is. Then you have a few word problems, and on the back you have some more problems to do. Remember, the review is some of the old things we learned that you need to always practice. That's why it's there. So we will correct this in class tomorrow. Make sure you're ready. I already gave you a lot of answers. Then, after you're done with your math pack, you have your last spelling practice page to do. And after that, you have RazKids. You're going to log on to RazKids. Remember, you have to put in Woodward VME to log on. Click My Assignments. Then you're going to record yourself reading the story that I assigned you. You're going to read it out loud. You're going to click the little microphone button in the corner. And then you're going to click Done. I want to hear that you read it. That lets me know for sure that you read it because you're going to record yourself. And then you have your journal, page 13 today. All right, at 10 o'clock, we have class. We're going to check our morning work. And then, do you remember yesterday when Dr. Ward came and gave you that long number? Make sure you bring it to class today. Don't lose that number because we're going to practice logging in for our state test. And you have to type in that number so that you can get to the practice test. So make sure that you bring that number and you're ready to practice, okay? And then we'll do some math after we practice. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great, great, great morning. If you have any questions, you can always go to Clever and you can click on Messages and you can write me a message here and I will respond, okay? It's a great place to write me a message if you don't do it on Class Dojo. I see these messages very quickly because there's a sound that goes on my computer, so I know to check it, okay? See, right now, I have 2 people that wrote me messages. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow. I'll see you at 10 o'clock.